cooler days ahead, which is something we haven't seen for a while. Take a look at rainfall totals. This is just today. Now notice all of these towns are in the southern half of the state. So Ottumwa checking in over 2 inches already today. Lamoni just over a ½ an inch. We do have more rain coming to this part of the state. That is why there is a flash flood watch in effect tonight through tomorrow as well. It does include the eastern counties and southern counties. It does not include Des Moines here in Polk County. Taking a look at down to the south, it's our furthest southern tier, and just a little bit off to the southeast of Ottumwa, 2 inches of rain with more coming. Why is that? That's because we have this cold front. This guy is going to start swinging on through, and as it does, it's going to bring cooler air than what we've experienced in the past week. Take a look at how these temperatures have played out. We had the upper 80s into the 90s. Now August had 1 day in the 90s. We've had 2 so far in September, and 75 is where we checked out today. Now those wind speeds are generally out of the south right now, but notice there is a change off to the northwest. That is that cold front that's starting to enter into northwest Iowa. Those temperatures right now, they are cooler than what we've been experiencing into the 70s. This is going to be warm compared to what we have coming tomorrow. Downtown Skycam, there were a lot of drips on the Skycam earlier, but now we're getting kind of a break from things. We do have that dew point in those soupy 70s. Those dew points will start to come down tomorrow and be very pleasant by Monday. And those winds, they are still whipping, but they will calm down after sunset tonight. Taking a look at that Super Doppler 8, we do have those storms off to the northwest. One was severe earlier, but everything's staying pretty quiet. The heavy rain that fell through southeast Iowa is well off to our east. Just a little bit off right now into the central part of the state, continuing to push off to the northeast. Lightning trackers on. It's not picking up any lightning, but where you do see those yellows and those oranges, that's going to be some moderate downfall or downpours in those areas. Tonight, overnight, as you're sleeping, southwest Iowa, this is the area we do have a slight risk of some severe weather pushing on through. Large hail damaging winds will be the main threats, as well as that flash flooding potential for that heavy rainfall that will move through. The severe potential will be overnight. Tomorrow we'll continue to have showers and thunderstorms, not expecting anything severe. Tomorrow morning it will be widespread as you wake up. Notice these temperatures. It will be a little bit warmer, and then it will cool down through the middle part of the day. The rain will continue, those temperatures staying steady in those 60s. By the afternoon, the rain's going to start to push off to the east, and finally things will begin to let up for Monday. Here's a look overnight. This is 1 a.m. Notice it is starting to move through the metro area, continuing to push off to the east. It will become more widespread as you get your Sunday going. You let the dog out, it's going to be a wet lassie coming in tomorrow morning. Then we'll continue to see that activity push off to the east, southeast through the afternoon. Northwest Iowa, you will be first to dry out. Skies begin to clear out Sunday night into Monday. Monday, the first day of fall, is looking spectacular with sunny skies, 70s, lower humidity, calmer winds. We got to get there first though, and unfortunately we have a lot of rain headed our way. 1 to 3 inches is possible. Generally I-80 areas to the south and to the east. That is why that flash flood watch is in effect for those counties. Scattered storms tonight, the heaviest rain generally I-80 areas to the south. 64 tonight, not much improvement tomorrow. We'll see a high of around 68 degrees here in the metro with those scattered storms on and off throughout the day. 8-day forecast shows that fall beginning on Monday, it is going to be great. Tuesday should be dry as well. Notice late Tuesday into Wednesday, that's when our next best chance of some rain moves into the area. But overall, it is looking like a fall forecast.